Welcome to the DevOps Weekly Update News. This is week number 11, March 2022. In this video, you're going to understand what happened in the world of DevOps, what are the news, etc. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. This is going to keep you updated on what is happening in the world of DevOps. If you are an aspiring DevOps engineer or you're already in the world of DevOps, this video will keep you updated in terms of what is happening in the world of DevOps. Before I begin, I get these common questions always. What is cloud computing? Can I be a cloud engineer also? To answer this and to provide a career guidance, I have prepared a free course. There is no payment required, and the link of this course is in the description. If you are watching this video and wondering, can I also become a cloud engineer? And what is cloud computing? Then go ahead and log into that course. It is free of charge. Go through the course and your doubts will be cleared. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Now let us see what happened in the world of DevOps. The first news is coming from GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is a new technology, we can say, which is serverless CI/CD system. It is very famous. It is becoming very famous, and many companies are adapting this now. And this month itself, it already had 10 incidents. So imagine it is completely serverless, right? So if something goes wrong, you can't really do anything. You just have to wait and see if the issue is fixed by the GitHub Actions company. So this again is an important point to consider when you choose a CI/CD tool. Can your company afford such kind of incidents for your CI/CD system? If they can't, then it is better to develop the CI/CD system independently so that you don't have to rely on third-party company. But this is not the case always. But again, this is the news of DevOps world, so it is better to know. And news number 2 is a DevOps conference was held in March 2022. This is a very nice conference where again a lot of people speak about what is happening in the DevOps, what is the future of DevOps, etc. All the recordings are free. You can listen to all the webinars. The link is present on the screen and it will also be present in the description if you're interested. The third news is AWS has added a new customer carbon footprint tool. So what is this customer carbon footprint tool? When you are using AWS, even though you're not owning an infrastructure, AWS is owning some infrastructure. So in this case, how much is your company contributing to the uh, goodness of the environment, right? Are you using so many servers? Because if you're using so many servers, are you contributing to this greenhouse effect, etc.? To understand this, to give you a visibility around this, AWS has come up with an option that is a customer carbon footprint tool where it tells you how much of carbon footprint you are producing because of using AWS. This is a very good tool that they have added. You can find it in Cloud Cost Explorer, and this will help you to understand how much AWS you are using and how much of carbon footprint it is producing. And the fourth news is coming from Lecture Notes. It is doing a fundraising. It is currently having 2 million users along with over 3 million pages of content. If you are wondering where is this Lecture Notes company present, in fact, it is present in India. And this is amazing for all of us because more and more startups getting such good funding helps us with a clear vision of what a tomorrow will look like for engineers like us and what you should concentrate upon. Now, speaking of companies hiring, before I go to them, kindly make sure that you do your due diligence before applying. I have no affiliation to these jobs. I have picked the best jobs that I have come across. The first one is DevOps engineer at Cyware, Bangalore, Karnataka, India. This job is for a senior position. So if you have experience of 4 years or if you are showing an experience of 3 to 4 years, then you can apply for this job. The second one is site reliability engineer. This is also a great opportunity. You might be wondering what is the difference between a cloud engineer and a site reliability engineer, etc. This is again covered in a lot of videos. So um, if you are not aware of this difference, you can go and check out my channel. I have explained this. But a key point is, if you're finding an opportunity which is closely resembling to your experience, do join and learn and see what is going to happen. The third one is DevOps or Cloud Engineer SRE. And this particular opportunity is in Krakow, Poland, Europe. So if you want to explore different countries and that is what you want to do, then check out this job. They are also offering relocation package for the right candidate. So if you crack the interview, if you're able to perform very well in the interview, then you will be able to get selected and they will offer all the assistance for you to come and work in this country. All the job description that I have shared is in the description. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel to get the latest news on data engineering and DevOps both. In one channel, you'll get all the information that is happening. Thank you and take care.